Hello, everyone, and welcome to our English Learning Podcast.
Hi, everyone. My name is John, and I am very happy you are here today.
Today, we will help you learn real American small talk questions.
Yes, these are questions Americans use every single day.
In supermarkets, at work, in coffee shops, everywhere.
And don't worry, we will speak slowly and clearly.
Before we start, please tell us in the comments, where are you listening from?
And don't forget, like this video, comment, share with your friends.
This really helps more learners find us. Thank you so much.
Part 1. What is small talk? Lily, what is small talk?
Small talk is short and friendly conversation.
Yes, it is not serious. It is just polite and simple talking.
For example, when you meet someone, you don't stay silent.
You say something like, "Hi, how are you?"
Or, nice weather today.
Yes, very simple.
Part 2. Why Americans use small talk.
John, why do Americans use small talk so much?
Good question. Americans use small talk to be friendly, feel comfortable, start conversations, avoid silence. Yes, silence can feel awkward in the USA.
So people often ask small questions, even with strangers.
Part 3. The 20 easy small talk questions. Now, let's learn the 20 most common questions.
We will explain slowly and give examples.
1. How are you? Very common question.
Example. Hi, how are you?
2. How's your day going? It means, how is your day?
3. Nice weather today, right? People love talking about weather.
4. What do you do? It means job or work.
5. Are you working or studying? Simple and friendly question.
6. Do you come here often? Common in coffee shops.
7. How was your shopping? Used in stores or malls.
8. Have you eaten yet? Very natural daily question.
9. Where are you from? Very common with new people.
10. What do you like to do for fun? This means hobbies.
11. Did you watch the game, movie? Americans love sports and movies.
12. Do you live around here? Used when meeting someone nearby.
13. Are you busy today? Simple workplace question.
14. Want some coffee? Very friendly offer.
15. How was your weekend? Very common on Mondays.
16. Are you tired today? People use this at work or school.
17. Do you have plans this weekend? Talking about future plans.
18. How did you get here? Bus, car, walking, etc.
19. What's your favorite food? Easy and fun question.
20. What's new? Very casual greeting. Part 4. Real conversation example. Let's practice a real conversation using these questions.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm good too. Nice weather today, right?
Yes, it is sunny.
Do you come here often?
Yes, I come here every weekend.
Great. What do you like to do for fun?
I like watching movies and listening to music.
Nice. Do you have plans this weekend?
Yes, I will meet my friends.
Part 5. Funny story. Lily, I have a funny story.
Tell me.
One time, someone asked me, "How's it going?" And I said, "It is going to the store."
What?
I didn't understand the question.
Part 6. Embarrassing story. I have one too. Someone said, "What's up?" And I looked up at the sky again. I thought it was about the sky.
Part 7. Useful tips. Tip 1. Don't think too much. Just answer simply.
Tip 2. Use short answers. I'm good. I'm fine. I'm busy.
Tip 3. Ask questions back. This keeps conversation going.
Tip 4. Smile. Smile makes you friendly.
Part 8. Practice section. Repeat after me. How are you?
How's your day going?
What do you do?
What's your favorite food?
Part 9. Longer conversation practice. Let's do a longer, real-life conversation.
Hi, how are you today?
I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm good too. Are you busy today?
Not really. Just a little work.
Nice. Do you live around here?
Yes, I live nearby.
Great. What do you like to do for fun?
I like shopping and watching movies.
That sounds fun.
Part 10. Encouragement. Dear listeners, don't be afraid of small talk.
Yes, it is very simple.
Start with just one question.
Then, slowly, you will improve.
Summary. Today we learned 20 easy small talk questions. How Americans use small talk daily. Real conversation examples. Useful tips. And common mistakes are normal.
And remember, practice every day.
Thank you so much for listening.
We hope this episode helps you speak English more confidently.
Please don't forget. Like, comment your favorite question. Share with friends.
See you next time.